100 रन की पार्टनरशिप कोशिश करे 75 to 100 runs. So I think once that happened, उसके बाद we were both set. I don't think about who's reacting to what. Neither do I read the newspaper, nor do I watch television. I just try and focus on my game, and I wanted to prove a point to myself that I'm still good enough to play international cricket. So I guess I was good today.
Yuvraj, what does this not mean to you, essentially after so many years? You got the World Cup, national series and all that, but there's been a long time since then. And in your celebration also it showed it was really emotional. You didn't jump around or anything. So how did you get that century and how does it feel even right now?
Yeah, feels great. It's been a while since I got 100. I came back after recovering from cancer. First 2-3 years were hard. I had to work really hard on my fitness. I was in and out of the team. I was not able to get a permanent spot, and there was a time when I thought, whether to continue or not to continue. And I think a lot of people have helped me throughout this journey. So never giving up is, I think, my theory. So never gave up, kept working hard, and hopefully, I thought one day time will change.
Yes. This means one of the best innings in your career.
Definitely 150 is a big score in one-day cricket. It's my highest. It's taken a long time to get there, but I'm very happy that it happened today. And hopefully, in the coming time, can contribute more consistency with more consistency.
Dave.
Hi, you've been playing for so long, you've seen the England team over the years. I think back to 2008, you got 200s in that series. How do you think this England team compares to the previous lot? Do you think that they're much more improved and dangerous one-day side even though they haven't won it?
Yeah, definitely. I think over the generation, England had some great players. Those times there was Harmison and Flintoff. But I just feel the rules of one-day cricket change a lot, and it's very hard for bowlers to, bowl in with 5 fielders in when you don't have anywhere for wicket. England have played really well in the last 2 games. They scored 350 and they scored almost 365, 70 runs again. So, they have been playing really well. So I just feel the day they have a good pick up early wickets and, can get us out, I'm sure, their batting is really good. I feel they have a lot of dangerous players in the middle order, and they can actually hurt a lot of bowlers. So I think it's a young group. I'm sure the more they'll play, the more they'll get better. And I think it's a good side for the future. It looks like a dangerous side for the future. But I'm just saying that the more conditions they will play in, the more they'll get better as a side. बिल्कुल जी, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस हमेशा होता है when you have the backing of your team, when you have the backing of your captain. So I think Virat has showed a lot of trust in me, and that was very important for me that people in the dressing room trust me. So and I've been batting really well in a domestic season, and I've been hitting the ball really well. तो मैं यही सोच रहा था, उम्मीद करूँ कि make it big on my day. क्या कह रहे हैं? सॉरी. पिच बहुत अच्छा था बैटिंग के लिए. आई थिंक ज़्यादा कुछ था नहीं बॉलर्स के लिए. स्पिन नहीं था, बाउंस बहुत अच्छा विकेट की बैटिंग था, और आई थिंक ग्राउंड ने भी काफ़ी इंजॉय किया. सो इट वाज अ गुड डे फॉर एवरीवन. Well, we always have been batting together since he started his career. Obviously, I started much earlier. But I think, it's been more of, me and Mahi, mostly in the middle order. And we've won a lot of games for India. So I think the camaraderie is always there, always been there. And I think we have a lot of understanding when we bat together. So that will always be there. Running between the wickets, we have good understanding. So hopefully it works in the future as well.
Thank you very much.